Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on BEHL, Biocentric Energy Holdings Incorporated. I want to do this one because I've been getting some more requests on it. The last time I did it, I pointed out a channel that it had formed, and it does need some updating. So I'm going to do that with this. I don't think the video is going to be too long, but I did want to get things updated from a technical analysis standpoint. That way people kind of know where the chart stands. I did this one, I don't know, 3-4 weeks ago, not real sure. And during that video, what I had done was I drew out a channel that the stock had basically formed for, and it had been traded in for, a couple months. This is just rough. If you go back and look at the video, the last one I did on BEHL, you'll see. But what I pointed out was that, it was very evident that, the stock had formed pretty much this sort of channel. And if you go down and correspond that with the dates, you can see that it had been going on for about a couple months where the price is just going sideways in this channel. But recently, unfortunately, the price has fallen to the downside of the channel, and now what I think is going to happen, and what is already starting to happen. So let me zoom up closer here. But what you can see here is this bottom of the channel was support. So it was green, but technical analysis 101, just the basic. Whenever support levels are broken, they become resistances. And that's what happened here on us. It fell down, and now it's a resistance. And now you can see what's going on. Every time the price tries to get up here and get back above that level, it keeps getting knocked down. So this is, just basic charting here. This price level fell, and now it's acting as a resistance. Before, at all these points, it had been acting as a support, but now, like I just pointed out, the price is trying to get up above it, but it's just simply acting as a resistance now and pushing it down. The other thing that I think will probably happen now is that this 200-day simple moving average, which is a crucial moving average in the world of charts, will probably become the bottom of a new channel that will be forming. So if I were to take kind of this line and just kind of extend it out, extend this one out now, I would say that up here is probably going to be the top of the channel, down here is going to be the bottom, because that is where the 200-day simple moving average is. And bear in mind, this is all, obviously if the company comes out with just blockbuster news or something like that, yeah, then things are probably going to head back up. But if things remain the same, or if they keep releasing news but the price just continues to go like this, then what that's just telling you that there's it's just telling you that people are just kind of still kind of going through the motions on it in terms of not anything really happening with the price. Now, don't get me wrong. If you are a trader, then this has basically been a cash register for people. I mean, you buy down in this area, you sell up here. You buy down in this area, you sell up here. You buy down in this area, you sell up here. I mean, you get the point. Here was probably their first losing trade. So they'd probably nailed about 3 winning trades and had their losing one here. So that's a 75% win rate. But for the people that are in this long term, yeah, there's the chart is just simply going sideways and now is starting to make lower lows. So you'll want to keep your eye on that and make sure that each one of these support levels that fails, that's just a sign of more and more weakness. So we'll see what happens, but that's where the chart stands right now. You're no longer in this channel up here. You've broken to the downside. Your support level has now become a resistance, and it's looking like you may probably come down here and give the 200-day simple moving average a test. And you really want to see this hold, because if that doesn't, then that's just going to mean more declines to come. So if you do have any other questions on the chart, please let me know, and I'll do my best to help you out. Also, I'd encourage you to check out bullmarketnewsletter.net. If you go there and sign up for the emailer, you get a free ebook, which has been getting very good reviews, and with your subscription you'll get bullish chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something there for everybody, and best part is no strings attached. It is all free, so it's worth at least checking out. One more time, this is BEHL. Everybody have a good weekend.